Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Tease Time. TJ, thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to work on a P-trap for the shower. We learn as we go. I did install a P-trap thinking I didn't really need it. A P-trap is what you have under the sink that makes that little U-shape at the bottom. I don't know if you can really actually see that. Kind of got a bunch of stuff in there. But the sink comes down, it drains down, and it makes a U. So it has like this little water to kind of keep odor from coming in and also keep bugs out. I didn't do that on the shower, so I do smell the gray tank from time to time. Usually when you drive, you come to a stop, you smell just the odor from the gray tank itself. So today I'm going to go and I'm going to attempt to try to install a P-trap with the spare parts that I do have. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So here's some spare plumbing. I have a saw in there if need be to cut this. We have cleaner. We have our pipe or plumbing cement. A bunch of fittings. I just need to make sure I could get like a little loop in there, like a little U. Let me crawl under there and show you what I'm talking of. All right. So this is what I'm speaking of right here. I need to make some kind of U. You need to have a shoot out, come down, come up, come around, and then go back in here. I do have to disconnect this right here. It's just a heating pad to help try to prevent the pipes from freezing. So right now I just need to figure out if I actually will be able to do that. I don't know if I'm gonna end up having to cut here or somewhere, take this off and find out, because the size pipe that I do have is for the smaller end right here. So I don't know if I need to drop that down up in there, or even take this off right here, spin this, maybe coming around this way, and then just come down and then up around and then back into it. That's what I'm thinking. So I do need to disconnect inside the shower. There's like a clamp that holds that pipe in place. So I'm gonna disconnect this, disconnect that. We'll see if we could just probably just leave that alone. Might be able to just rotate that if that's what I'm planning on doing. Rotate this way or that way, whatever way. But we do have various fittings, 45s, short, long, cap. We might be able to figure out something with all these fittings in this piece of pipe right here, which I don't know is going to be long enough to do what we need to do to make it back to here. So we have to make a shoot down, come around. I don't know, we'll find out. All right, so this is what we're going for right here. I have everything marked with the permanent marker, just so I get everything aligned. So just make marks before you actually glue everything together so you get the fitment, because once this gets cemented, the only way it will be cutting it out or pretty much cutting it out. So just be careful with that. But this is our leg right here. This will be our trap. So water will fill into here, stay here, so keep that smell from coming back through, and also bugs. So we have everything just on here loose. Nothing's actually glued. Right now I'm just gonna go through and just get everything glued so that way it's permanent and we'll have a nice little P-trap. This is a P-trap. But yeah. And bada boom, bada bing, that's a P-trap. Everything is in its glue. I just need to go through, tighten the clamp up here, and then tighten that little piece up top that adds that suction or that seal around the pipe right here. And also I do have to just zip tie or duct tape my heating pad back onto the pipe somewhere. It will reach probably somewhere in here. So we have that to deal with, or I probably need to add another one or something, but that's done. This is out of the way. So now when we turn the water on, the water still will drain, but it has this P-trap right here just to kind of have like a little water that'll be left in here to prevent smell and draft and bugs, like I said before. But yeah, so appreciate you watching. Thank you. Like, subscribe, you know what to do with the comments in below. If you got any questions, I'll try to answer them. But anyways, peace. TJ.